Life is a tragedy. One minute you're a happy red squirrel, storing pine cones on the forest floor. The next you are instant street pizza, dinner for an American crow. This kind of thing happens every day. Omnivores acquire energy through the digestion of plants and animals. Hell, you're probably eating a sandwich right now. Some creatures gain energy from non-traditional sources. This Chester's honey duck, named after its discoverer, me, Chester Honeywell, is a mutated subspecies of the harlequin duck. It gains a honey-orange tint from the constant flavor blasting of 5G radiation beaming from the nearby cell phone tower. The Chester's honey duck, with its clear Wi-Fi signal, serves as a lesson in man's folly, and as an added bonus, serves as a great euphemism for my penis. Which I assure you, isn't much to talk about. The Chester's honey duck doesn't need food to survive. Due to its utilization of the nearby cell phone tower, and by converting the wireless signal into a food source, it survives on the loneliness of people everywhere.
Who's that, hiding in the bushes?
It's me, Professor Chester Honeywell. You don't have to go as far as the Galapagos just to see nature's struggle. Nature is all around you. You just have to look with the right set of eyes.
Exploring our natural world.
The western osprey, one of the larger raptors in North America. Most ospreys mate for life, but that's Eddie. He's a dick. Or more accurately, he's a cloaca. You gotta shoot the goo right down the chute when you're working with a cloaca. His sexual appetites having been sated, Eddie flies away to the nearest convenience store, vowing never to return to his beautiful blushing bride. A story all too common in nature, but not very common amongst the population of ospreys. I hate you, Eddie. Go home to your wife. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this guy's got us watching the ducks have sex now. But the American coot isn't a duck. It's much closer related to the chicken, or even the crane. The American coot gets around by running on water, in what scientists call a miracle.
Pause to discuss what we've learned. Sex, life, and death. Absentee fathers.